My wife is the controller.
Yeah, mine is too. Control what I spend. Yeah.
You know, it's funny. I'm diabetic. My wife opens up her box and taking fruit. She doesn't throw it away.
Yeah.
Well, somebody opened this brand new. My wife thought it was. She has all the granddaughters. She has no popcorn. So I'm sitting there and I'm laying on the couch and my wife goes, "Did you open this up?" And I go, "No." So I didn't think to normally because my daughter was over there.
Yeah, I know how that goes.
What are you, SP?
Well, I'm a SP guy.
Oh, we got it. So, are you a YouTube guy?
You got anything you want to say?
No. Interview the other guys. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but why not? But I don't want to. Are you on speaker right now? I heard you won. Now, how Pastor's wife doing?
Just a friendly reminder
Hang on a minute.
you need to have any vehicles between the two buildings, just north of the building here, moved and parked to the east side of the building in the gazebo. The fairgrounds does not want any vehicles in between the two buildings at all. So if you're out here parked directly in front of the building, it will need to be moved, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you guys doing?
Do you want to talk on your video about your stuff?
Sure.
Explain to everybody what you do.
I'm a kit manufacturer, and right now I manufacture strictly O-scale kits. I'm going to be venturing out into other scales eventually, but I do my own graphic designs. Got a laser engraver and a 3D printer, and these buildings are all prototypical. In some cases, like the Weller store, I compress the length of it to fit on a layout comfortably. And my name's Alan Rogers. I live in Bakersfield.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You know what I'm sweating?
Any GM members that's going to be